welcome to your October workout. This is a great 5-minute workout that you could do when you wake up to get energy. You will feel so much better. I call it my morning stretch. Here's my favorite routine. It's October, you guys. My little daughter Katie's birthday, Halloween, fun month. Okay, let's begin. Take a deep breath together. Inhale, bring in that oxygen. It equals energy. And let it out. Get rid of any stress that you might have. Just let it go. And let's stretch out through the arms, through the chest. Open up the chest. That's it. What a way to wake up and have gratitude. You can move your body. Isn't that wonderful? It's a joy to move. That's right. Feel thankful that you're healthy to move. So move every day. You'll feel so much better. And let's take it forward now, like you're swimming forward. Reach forward. This is great for the low back too. It stretches your low back. It stretches your upper back. No more tension between the shoulder blades. That's it. Last one. Beautiful. Now one of my favorite moves to really work and tone the legs and get energy through the body is to work your hips, thighs, and buttocks. That's right. Arms out, reach side to side. That's it. Use your thigh muscles, your buttocks. Sit way back there. You really feel it. Great for your legs. Shape and tone and firm and sculpt. Beautiful legs. That's it. They get you everywhere. Good. 2 more. Last one. Okay, now turn to the side. Bend the front knee at a 90-degree angle and come back up. That's it. Thinking about good posture. Is your back strong and straight? Going up and down almost like an elevator. That way you really work the thigh muscles as well as the buttocks. Now this time we hold it down. You squeeze the buttocks and feel an extra stretch here. So great. Especially if you sit for long periods of the day. You need to keep these muscles lengthened. That's it. Or they shorten while you sit. Okay, let's go to the other side. Thinking about good posture again. That front knee stays in a 90-degree angle. Down and up. Great lunges. Just a simple lunge. Is your back strong and straight? Abs are pulled up and in. Okay, we've got 2 more. Last one. I want you to stay down now. Now squeeze the buttocks. Tighten up that tushy. Look great from behind. Hold that. Now stretch it. Can you feel that excellent stretch in the front of your thighs? Oh, so good. Okay, and let's come together. Inhale up and down. Placing your hands on your thighs. Let's warm up the ankles and the legs. That's it. Good. And the other side. Keeping everything lubricated, stretched, toned, flexible, pliable. And let's work ourselves back up and do our hips. That's it, keeping your hips healthy. Yes, we need those hips. And circle. Let's go the other way. Circle the other way. Full range of motion. So good for the joints. That's it. Good. Excellent supply of oxygen to the joints. Last one. Great. Okay, now my favorite stretch of all. I love a hamstring stretch, especially first thing in the morning or at night, because your muscles back here get really short and tight, and then when you stretch them, you just feel better. Also, it keeps your back healthy. Nothing will be tugging on your back. You won't have tight hamstrings to give your back some pain. So this is so important to do. Okay, let's stretch the other leg. Notice my nose is kind of long and my neck is long. I'm not arching my neck, it's lengthening. And my back is straight and I'm trying to get down lower to feel the back of my thighs, which is so important. That's it. Oh, feels so good. Okay, bring your arms all the way up and let's do side bends for the waistline. Side bends. When you do this, squeeze your inner thighs together and bend at the waistline. That's it. Now really let those hips roll to the side. Let them rock to the other side. You got it. Great. Last one. Okay. Now open up through the chest. That's it. Open up through the heart today. You're going to have a beautiful day because you did something good for you. 5 minutes. That's all it takes. It gives you that right mindset to start the day off right. Inhale with good, deep inhalation. And now exhale, let it go. Just let it go. There you have it. Go out and make it a fabulous day. Do this workout every day of October and you will feel awesome. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com, sign up for your free trial now.